Picture a rough, raw piece of wood transforming into a smooth, polished masterpiece. That's the magic of sanding. This essential wood finishing technique starts with a coarse grit sandpaper to remove major blemishes. Then we move to a medium grit paper for a finer finish, reducing minor flaws and creating a smoother surface. The final step, the piece de resistance, involves a fine grit sandpaper, polishing the wood to perfection. Remember, always sand along the grain, never against it. This ensures an even natural finish, highlighting the wood's inherent beauty. And there you have it. The art of sanding, turning the ordinary into extraordinary. A simple process, but the difference it makes is undeniable. So the next time you see a smooth wooden surface, you'll know the secret behind its shine.